In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find pending orders in Trading 212. If you're using the Trading 212 platform to manage your investments, keeping track of your pending orders can be crucial for maintaining control over your trading activities. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's start by going to the Trading 212 website. Open your preferred web browser and type in apptrading212.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, go ahead and do that first. It's a straightforward process that involves providing some basic information about yourself and verifying your identity. Now that we're logged in, you'll notice a user-friendly interface designed with clarity in mind. Look towards the top of the screen and you'll see an icon that resembles a pie chart. Click on this pie icon. This is your gateway to various account features, including your portfolio and pending trades. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the interface. You'll see some options for navigation. You'll want to scroll down in this panel. As you do, keep an eye out for a section labeled Pending Orders. This section is dedicated to orders that haven't yet been executed and provides a list of all pending transactions. Finding this section is essential because it aggregates all the orders you've placed but aren't yet completed. This feature is critical for traders who want to ensure their investment strategies are implemented precisely as planned. Once you see the pending order section, go ahead and click on it. Doing so will bring up a detailed view of all your pending transactions, including actionable insights into each order's specifics. Here, you'll find information like the order type, the quantity of the asset you're attempting to buy or sell, and the current status of each order. This information is crucial for decision-making as it allows you to manage your funds effectively and adjust your strategy if necessary. Navigating through your pending orders allows you to monitor the market conditions and make informed decisions on whether to let those orders stand or cancel them before they execute. Remember that these pending orders represent your intentions. It's important to review them regularly to ensure they align with your trading goals. And there you have it. That's how you find and review your pending orders in Trading 212. Taking the time to check these orders can make a significant difference in your trading outcomes. So, log in regularly and keep a close eye on this section to make sure your investments align with your goals and strategies. Thank you for watching and happy trading.